Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie's Stuff. I'm Soozie. It's time for another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, I'll give you a little hint. It's patriotic and it's all from Dollar Tree. So get ready, get set, let's go! And here we go. I'm starting off with a wooden star from Dollar Tree and some antique wax by Waverly to cover it all. And then all I have to do is just wipe it off a little bit and it dries super quick. Next, I'm taking the galvanized pieces from Dollar Tree, a couple of stars, and I'm just using a little bit of antique wax around them. Then I hot glue them together using a couple of popsicle sticks to make it secure. I'm using some of these awesome window clings from Dollar Tree, and we're just going to be placing those on. I do use some Mod Podge to make sure and keep them secure. So I just used the USA and some stars. And then to cover up the hole at the top of the wooden star, I took some berries, and you can use greenery or whatever that you have. I used some twine and wrapped it all together. And then I just hot glue it on the top so that it hides that hole. And I just think it was the perfect touch. And time is up! This was such a fun little patriotic project to put together. They have so many of those galvanized pieces now at Dollar Tree, so I am quite certain you'll find the stars, plus a whole bunch of other new things. And they always usually have the wooden star. So putting this together should be no problem at all. Just make sure you can find the window clings. They should be out now, all in the patriotic section. So thanks for joining me on another edition of my 60-second DIY. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.